Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been so long since I've uploaded my YouTube videos. Forgive me for the delay. So today I have some good news to all of you. I would like to introduce you a new game booster that will run your Sausage Man smoothly. It will also help you to fix lag and frame drops while playing the game. This process is complicated. So if you want to learn how to do it, don't skip and watch until the end of this video. But before we get started, please give this video a big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and ring the bell, so I will be motivated to make this kind of content. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS. Then search GFX tool. Select the first app, that green one. Now click Install. After installing, open the app. Now press Start. Allow access. Then select the game that you want to be boosted. Press Sausage Man. Now tap GFX tool. Choose 1280 resolution. Select 120 FPS and balance in graphics. After that, click Next. Now press Sausage Man app. After optimizing, you can now launch the game. We are close, but not done yet. Now go to Sausage Man settings. Select graphics. Follow this graphic settings. And there you go. You can now enjoy your new gaming experience. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helps you solve your Sausage Man problems. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to contact or comment it down below, so that I can make some solutions on problems that you're facing right now. Please don't forget to subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And to all of my subscribers and viewers, thank you so much. You're the reason why I keep pushing myself to the limits. See you in my next video.
When you're feeling down on your luck, you're tired and stuck, enough is enough. You gotta pick yourself up, cause life gets hard. It might leave scars, could tear you apart if you let it be smart, yeah. You wanna be just like the stars.